You've said the word concrete thousands of times in your life. So has every engineer, every architect, every construction worker on the planet. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Almost every single one of them has been using the wrong word. And this mistake has been hiding in plain sight for over 100 years. Welcome to Design Gap, where we uncover the hidden stories behind the everyday things you never thought to question. If you're new here, hit subscribe, because once you learn this stuff, you can't unsee it. So let's start at the beginning. Cement is a powder, that's it. It's made by heating limestone and clay together at over 1,400 degrees Celsius until it becomes a fine gray dust. On its own, cement is actually pretty useless. You can't build a wall with powder. You can't pave a road with dust. Cement is just one ingredient, like flour before it becomes bread. Concrete is what happens when you mix cement with sand, gravel, and water. That combination triggers a chemical reaction called hydration, and as it hardens, it becomes one of the strongest building materials ever created. The cement is the glue. The sand and gravel are the body. Without all three, you have nothing. So when someone points at a pavement and says, "That's cement," they're technically only pointing at about 15% of what's actually there. So how did the whole world get this wrong? It started in the late 1800s when Portland cement became the dominant brand across Europe and America. The word cement was everywhere, on bags, on billboards, and newspapers. Builders started calling everything cement: the powder, the mixture, the finished structure. The brand name swallowed the science, and by the time anyone thought to correct it, the word had already been baked into everyday language, just like the concrete itself. Here's the part that will really get you. The Romans were making concrete over 2,000 years ago, and their formula was actually stronger than most modern concrete. The Pantheon in Rome has stood without repairs for over 2,000 years. Scientists recently discovered that Roman concrete gets stronger over time when exposed to seawater, something our modern versions still can't do. We named it wrong and forgot the original recipe. So next time someone says, "The cement is cracking outside," you can smile and say, "Actually, that's concrete. Cement can't crack. It's a powder. What's cracking is a mixture of cement, sand, gravel, and water that someone, somewhere, decided to name wrong over 100 years ago, and the name just stuck." What other everyday thing do you think has a hidden story? Drop it in the comments. Your idea might become our next video. And if you learned something today, subscribe to Design Gap. We'll see you in the next one.